I want to talk to you guys about how you can stay healthy and eat healthy while traveling abroad. Traveling shouldn't be like this death sentence for your entire fitness routine and something that throws your entire metabolism out of whack. Whenever you're picking a hotel, ऐसा देखिए कि बेसिकली आपका होटल ऐसे पोजिशन हो कि आसपास एक ग्रोसरी स्टोर हो. Now obviously you can always kind of pick up some groceries on your travels when you're traveling through a city or wherever you are. You can buy some small vegetables and things like that. जैसे अगर आप बेबी कॉर्न खरीदते हैं, कैरेट्स खरीदते हैं, थोड़े से अनियंस खरीदते हैं, just a whole bunch of these kind of things, because for like let's say a healthy breakfast option or a healthy snack option, you can obviously always go, उसमें आप स्टॉक कर सकते हैं. फैब इंडिया में आपने देखा होगा वो आजकल वो लो फैट वाले dips वगैरह देने लग गए. Just pick one up and keep it in your mini bar fridge and you're good to go as far as snacks are concerned. Now next thing that I would like to suggest is that आप हमेशा ट्रैवल करिए जिपलॉक बैग्स के साथ. Yeah. So the thing is, जो breakfast का buffet वगैरह होता है, if you ask those guys at the hotel that can you please just give me like some cut up apples, because वो generally apples and oranges and like fruits रखते हैं वो continental breakfast spread पे. You can just go to the reception. Most receptions are really accommodating. You can just walk up to them and tell them, hey man, what's up? Listen, like I need a knife to cut up my apples. You can cut them up and ziplock them. And the thing about ziplocking your fruits rather than keeping them ऐसे साबुत अपने बैग के अंदर is that वो easy हो जाता है खाना. It's always easier to like have them in bite-sized portions, so you can just pick and snack, right? Now, next thing, instead of like constantly buying water, drinking 5 liters of water a day basically means that you have incredible skin and hair. And if that is something that you aspire for, then drinking water is an essential must. Whatever hotel you're staying in, whatever place you're staying in, just go to the gym over there. They will have filtered, clean drinking water, and you can just fill up those bad boys with water bottles and take them back to your room and you have a full stock. Okay, lunch, make it a healthy meal. Like basically eat that fruit that you were carrying. Eat some like basically घर से भी जब आप अपने ziploc bags लेके चलते हैं वो उन्हें खाली मत पैक करिए. उनमें से कुछ में basically ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स वगैरह स्टोर कर लीजिए. सो इफ यू गोइंग टू वॉक अराउंड अ लॉट एंड अगर आप बहुत सारे इधर घूमने वाले हैं, आप देखने वाले हैं साइट्स एंड लोकेशंस एंड सीनरीज एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, दो चीज़ें होंगी इससे. पहली बात, अगर आपने अच्छा हैवी लंच खाया होगा तो वो सारा खाना पच जाएगा, ठीक है, चल के. दूसरी चीज़ ये कि यू विल बी लेस टेम्प्टेड टू काइंड ऑफ गो एंड गोर्ज ऑन द लोकल जंक फूड. देन अपने डिनर के लिए अगर आप घर पे खाना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज you leave the house early in the morning, you travel and like kind of explore throughout the day, so have like a little baggie of dinner in your bag. Get some broccoli, get some Brussels sprouts, get some carrots, get some beans. Okay, you get all of those things. Okay, you put them in a container, put a little mug of water in there, all right, and you just microwave that. Eat something healthy, fibrous, nutritious. ऐसे मत करिएगा कि just because आपको healthy खाना है आप अपना ट्रिप ही ना एंजॉय कर पाएं. That should not happen. हाँ, of course, you can always make healthy food choices, and you always should, which means that if you're ordering something unhealthy, you can maybe just take a couple of bites or a little portion of it, and that's about it, and then rest of your meal can be healthy. I want you guys to know and remember that all the meal prep, all the exercise, जितना भी पानी आप पी रहे हैं, जितना भी सो रहे हैं आप, वो सब कुछ एकदम जीरो है unless you know कि ये आपकी lifestyle choice and is something you have to live with and accept it as a part of your life. Anything positive that happens to you because of a positive decision that you make, I want you to note it down. So, this is to kind of just being healthy and living a healthy lifestyle and hopefully kind of pushing you guys into a zone that kind of makes you want to be healthy constantly. So as an experiment, whatever trip you take next, I want you guys to challenge yourself to eat really, really healthy. And I really hope that you can be that person for yourself and nobody else. Okay? And on that note, I think I'm going to bounce now. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video on Fitness First with Shivangi at 7:30 every single day. I look forward to seeing you guys. Bye!